Detective Corporal in police custody after hijacking a taxi. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, 2 men in police custody in connection with killing of a police corporal. And what caused the fire at the Norman Manley International Airport? The authorities respond. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.